Welcome to the new Grand Rapids eNewspaper presentation. Today's topics will include a review of the kiosk, navigating the reading experience using either the print or digital version, downloading and printing pages and articles, reviewing share options, and how to enlarge text. We'll start at the kiosk, which houses the daily newspaper, supplements and magazines, a 30-day archive, and interactive puzzles and games. You have the option to read your daily newspaper using the print or digital version. The print version is a replica of the printed newspaper with a more traditional experience. The digital version is a more web-based experience. The default view is set to print. However, you will be able to change that view in settings. For now, we'll stay on print and select Read to view today's edition. You can navigate the edition in several ways. By using the top section navigation, moving from section to section, using the left and right arrows to move forward and back, engaging the page slider at the bottom to move from page to page, or if interested, turning pages. To read an article, use the page magnification in the bottom right next to the slider. You can zoom out or zoom in and click and drag your article for best reading. You can also expand pages to full screen. To exit, click on the X at the top. To provide a single article view, just click on an article. To read, scroll up and down. Move forward and back from article to article using the left and right arrow buttons. If there are multiple images available for viewing, you will see multiple dots under the image. Just click the left and right arrows to view all images in the gallery. Click on the X to close out. Sharing options are available on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, mail, or print. The ability to increase the text size is offered using the Change Font button. Continue clicking to increase, then decrease the size. Interested in learning more about an advertiser? Click on the Advertisers link. So back at the newspaper, you'll see that any available supplements or magazines will appear on the right. You can click to toggle to any supplement and then toggle back again to the newspaper. In the upper right-hand side are additional options. The first is a mobile icon, which allows you to go to the digital version, which I'll share with you in a moment. The down arrow icon allows you to download the full publication or the current page to save or print. You can print the left or right page or snip an article using the print option. To print out the crossword puzzle, you select the page, click on the printer icon, then right or left page, which will open up a print box. There you can print the entire page, or with the cursor, drag the blue border to outline the selection for printing. Once selected, click Print. Next is the Help option, which houses the frequently asked questions. And finally, the Settings option, which shows your login status, ability to set your reading preference default from print to digital, access to more help, and information about the platform version and publisher. To get back to the main kiosk, simply click on the newspaper logo on the top left. So now let's take a look at the digital version. Just click on Digital and then Read. This will open the first article on the page in this view. There could be multiple articles on a single reading pane, which will be identified with several dots to the right. As with the print version article view, you can share articles using Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and email. You can navigate using the same tools as the print version, using the top section navigation going from section to section, or using the left and right arrow keys, or by using the slider at the bottom to move page by page. If multiple images exist in the gallery, you'll see a camera icon with a number of images. Click the image and advance using the right arrow key and left to go back. To close out, click on the X. The obituary section is laid out with a table of contents and each of the individual listings underneath. The ability to share a listing is also possible. You can access your supplements on the right-hand side as well as get back to the digital version. If you want to go to the paper version, click on the print version icon in the upper right-hand side. The Help and Settings buttons are also handy options in the digital version. So that covers it for today. If you need additional help, please don't hesitate to call or email us and let us know if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks again for your time and for being a reader of the Grand Rapids Press eNewspaper.